Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to update Bluetooth driver Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop or desktop, just go to start menu and use right click. You will find a different types of option over here. Just go to device manager. So device manager is contain all types of devices in your laptop or desktop. So this is my device manager pop-up option over here, so you can identify audio, battery, biometric, Bluetooth, everything. So here there will be a Bluetooth option, so just click the arrows. Automatically all the Bluetooth devices will be displayed over here as you see here. Yes, so what are the Bluetooth driver in your laptop, everything will be displayed over here. So you just choose a Intel or wireless Bluetooth. That is my system Bluetooth, that is my laptop Bluetooth. So I just want to right click on that and you will find update driver. So just click here for the update driver. Once you click update driver, it will ask you for the search automatically for the devices. So just click here for search automatically. Automatically it will search and update your drive and it will display over here. So this is the best driver for your devices is already installed. If it is not, it will automatically search and install in your laptop or desktop so that you can update your drive. Yes, now there is a search for updated driver on Windows updates. So if it is not possible, so you are not able to update your driver, so just click this link. You will find a pop-up option called Windows Update pop-up, that is settings. So you can identify you are up to date. So my laptop is up to date. So once you click here for check for the update, automatically it will display over here. So what are the updates in the Windows, everything will be displayed over here. So any debugging errors there in your OS or operating system, so it will clear and it will make your Bluetooth and every drive will possible and easy to access with a smooth range. So this is the basic and easiest way to update your drive, update your Windows, so that each and every unique product will be work properly in your laptop or desktop with the Bluetooth or speaker or camera or mouse or any types of things. You can update a Windows or you can update the Bluetooth. So use this option to update your drive and access your system without any other hang or delay. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.